Join the elite team of CWTES Reading Detectives. Where did Mrs. Ward's book go? Why are some of Mrs. Dart's QR codes missing? Who took Mrs. Brown's whiteboard? What is happening to all of Mrs. Sagwin's dry erase markers? When did someone take Mrs. James's iPad? How did a note get on Mrs. Braun's desk? There are so many strange things going on in the second grade pod. What do all of these have in common? Mr. Wallace and Mr. Tom think that this case is too much to handle on their own. The note in Mrs. Braun's class says, "Help me, please. I am unable to read multi-syllable words in that grade books and don't have strategies to be able to read. I need someone to tell me how to read, please." Interesting. This is starting to make sense. Can you be the reading detective this mysterious person needs? Reading unlocks the doors to everything. If you can read well, you can learn to do anything, learn about anything, and do anything you want to do. This mysterious person wants to have the keys necessary to do just that. As you accept this challenge, know that reading will bring you great rewards. Good luck in cracking the case.